We are headed out for our big December Costco stock up. We haven't been to Costco so far in December, I think at all, which is unusual. Sometimes we go like once a week, but I've been putting it off, trying to just make a big Costco run. So we have a lot of non-food items, which I keep in a separate budget from the grocery stuff, and then we have a big grocery list as well. And since we have a lot of things like toilet paper and paper towels and stuff that are really big, I think what we're going to do is run into Costco and go through and get all of the non-food items and pay for those and get them out in the car, and then go back in again and do all of the grocery shopping, because I like to get them on separate receipts, and when you have a huge cart full, it's really hard to manage all that, especially using the self-checkout, which makes it really nice here at our Costco. So I think that's what we're going to do. We'll just get a little extra exercise, getting all the stuff out to the car and then back into the store. I am also due to make a really big batch of freezer breakfast sandwiches. I have done a video on this before. I like to just get the freezer packed full of these breakfast sandwiches that have sausage and cheese, and then my husband always has food to grab whenever he needs it. Even though I do make breakfast a lot of mornings, it comes in really handy to just have the freezer stocked full, so that if there's a morning where I don't get it done before he has to leave for work, that there's always food available. Or if I have a early morning thing with the kids, I don't have to get up and try to make breakfast for everybody. I can just pull sandwiches out of the freezer. So I am going to be getting a ton of the sandwich thins that we use for those, and sausage patties and cheese slices. And I'm going to try to put at the end of the video some footage of making those freezer sandwiches for those of you that are interested in that. I got my number one helper back here, Talia, and we're headed out. We do miss going shopping with the little bitty kids, but sometimes it sure is nice to just hop out of the car and start shopping. All right, here's all our non-food stuff that we need. I think I can get everything here except for maybe Band-Aids. I'm not sure if I want an entire Costco pack of Band-Aids. Did you want to hold the list?
Yeah. I like looking.
Oh, this was on sale a while back and I didn't pick it up in time. Oh well. I'm gonna grab 2 of these. And then we need the dish soap next. That's not it. That's laundry soap. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'll do it. Talia was hoping there'd be truffle samples. This seems like a food item, but I use it for cleaning and for baths, detox baths. So that counts as a non-food item for our budget. All right, we need toilet paper and paper towels here.
How much do you need?
I don't know if you can reach these, girl.
Yeah,
We're gonna grab one of these, and then the toilet paper over here. Okay. Are those as good as our truffles? You're supposed to say no. You have to say no. It's required.
No. Still, I don't think so.
Yeah. All right. These are no, that's not Band-Aids. Do they have Band-Aids here? Oh, they got hydrogen peroxide. Good job, Tal. You found it. Oh, and Epsom salt is right here, and I think that's the last thing, because I think I'll just wait to get Band-Aids at Target or something.
Baking soda.
Oh, I already got it. There we go. And now our cart is filled with non-food items. Let's run through the checkout, get it in the car, and then come back for more shopping. All right, here are all our non-food items. 2 packs of parchment paper, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, Epsom salt, toilet paper, and paper towels. Total spent on non-food items was $83.82. And now back into Costco. Here's how we need some bacon. I'm gonna go grab a bacon right there. 4 packs. This is Costco. You can't just buy 1 pack of anything.
Even better.
We're gonna grab some eggs.
That thing is big. Heavy.
The cheese slices are on the other section. Now let's go get the sausage patties. Where are they? They better have them. If they don't have them, I'm gonna be sad. Do you see them?
No.
I don't see them either. Do we? We found them. They were just on an end cap. No, we're not getting those. All right, we need 4. Actually, let's do 5 because we do some for just eating for breakfast sometimes. 1 more.
4.
Whew, that's a lot of sausage, huh?
Yep.
All right, so we need 3 packs of sliced cheese.
Medium.
Yeah. All right, I wanted some chicken wings. Oh, there they are. While I'm here, I guess I should pick up the pork ribs for our Christmas Eve dinner. I forgot about that.
Dad would love it.
They're going to be great. Of course, we got to pick up bananas for Levi. Let's get 4, and let's try to get some that are ripe and some that are not ripe. Sometimes that works out. So that one's pretty close to ripe. Yeah, that one's good.
That one's good for like eating right now.
Yep, sounds great. Cucumbers are here.
Oh,
And bell peppers are here. And those look pretty good. Let's grab a coffee. Do they have our almond flour crackers today? Oh, they're there. You grabbed 2 boxes? You've been out of these for a while. I'll help you out get one.
2 bags. There's 4 bags
There you
and all.
Nope. We are getting 8 bags of sandwich thins. Purple bag, purple box. Yep. Tally's getting to scan the stuff with the little gun. It's down there at the bottom, babe. There you go. 1 more. So we got 5 packs of the sausage, 2 boxes of crackers, pork ribs for Christmas Eve, 1 pack of pork rinds for Levi to munch on, bag of coffee just for me, peanut butter, bell peppers, cucumbers, 3 packs of the cheddar cheese slices. Those are mostly for the breakfast sandwiches. 4 packs of bananas, 1 bag of cheese sticks, 5 dozen eggs, 1 pack of chicken wings, a pack of organic Fuji apples, a big bag of organic sugar. Uh-oh, it's got a hole in it. Oh no. I think you're gonna have to vacuum the car out when we get home. 1 pack of bacon, and then we got 8 of the sandwich thins for the breakfast sandwiches. And we got everything to fit. So for groceries, we spent $296.64, which is the biggest Costco haul I have done in quite some time. And then for the non-food items, it was the $382. So we are getting close to $400 for this trip.